My name's Jenna Franks, and I'm an attorney with Steinbacher, Goodall Yurchak. I'm going to talk to you today about mental health powers of attorney and why they're really necessary. The mental health power of attorney is important even if you already have a healthcare power of attorney. One of the main reasons it's so important is because your healthcare power of attorney will not allow your agent to consent to treatment that's considered experimental, such as certain drug trials or therapies. This is really important when we're talking about planning for the second half of life. Unfortunately, many of our clients that come in are dealing with some form of dementia or have a history of mental illness. The mental health power of attorney would allow the agent to consent to treatment that may be considered experimental as long as it's determined that the treatment would be in the best interest of the patient. The language of the mental health power of attorney may describe other preferences, including certain medicines or institutions. Even if there are not specific preferences, the mental health power of attorney is very flexible, and it allows the agent to consent to whatever would be most appropriate for the patient after consulting with the treating physician. This document is similar to the financial power of attorney in that we always want the agent to acknowledge before it's effective. However, the mental health power of attorney can be signed by the agent immediately prior to use. It's important to know that according to the Pennsylvania statutes, mental health powers of attorney automatically expire every 2 years. Now, if someone signs a mental health power of attorney and then does not have the capacity to sign a new mental health power of attorney 2 years later, then the document stays in effect. However, if the person has capacity 2 years after the mental health power of attorney was signed, the document will expire and a new one needs to be signed. All other powers of attorney remain in effect until they're either revoked or a new power of attorney replaces them. Our office is aware of any changes in the laws that affect mental health powers of attorney. We pass along information to our clients and we notify them when it's time to renew their mental health powers of attorney. Contact us today to schedule your initial consultation to discuss your planning needs.